Hey guys, so it is Thursday and I want to give everybody a quick update. Like I said, I've been burning the midnight oil. And so what's kind of going down now is two things. Now that I've prototyped out how to do the hammers, I had passed that off to Corey. And so this morning, what we're doing is we're taking all of the bearings that we have. You can see that they've been squared because, of course, these bearings start as this guy right here. And but then we have to square them up to make them into a hammer. So that's our first process. So while Mr. Swimer is doing that, what I am doing is continuing to make some upgrades to the press. Presses are all about tooling, and so we are at the point where we are functional, but we need some improvements. So for example, when I first built these guys right here, you can see this is 2-inch material. It's pretty big. Make sure I got it set right. You can see that's pretty big stuff. And the problem is it's not because I just wanted to use a 2-inch. It's the only thing I had on hand at that point that was thick enough. Now I've got some 5/8, but the problem is I am losing 4 inches of travel between my dies because I've got such heavy stuff. So what I'm going to do is actually come in and rebuild this so that it uses 5/8 plate, which will still hold up very well, but it doesn't cost us 4 inches of an 8-inch stroke. So that's where we're starting there. Also working on some new plates. Find out what in the hell I did with them. I think I put them, here they are. Uno momento. So I did a couple of fullering plates right here, and these guys are going to be specifically for spreading the front end on these little axes that I'm tinkering with. And you've got to be able to actually spread this left and right. And so when this goes in, there'll be a top tool and mush, 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 and that's going to be that. But there's a whole bunch of different tooling that needs to be done, and all of it's geared very specifically to individual projects. So we got the hammers. We're going to continue working with those, and let's take a look at the hammer pile. Check that out. Now we've still got a long ways to go. We've got a lot of refinements to add to these bad boys, but we are practicing very quickly. And check this out. I see this. Make sure that's not hot. I'm not sure if you can see that very well. But Purgatory Ironworks #1. That's my girl. So, very happy with the press, but we've got a lot of ground to cover. We're about $1,500 in materials in and quite a bit of labor, so we've got to get this stuff prototyped, ready to go, and stuff sold. So, that's just the update. I wanted you guys to hear it. Pretty freaking awesome. You guys be cool.